Hi guys! Okay, so for today's video, I am going to do a drugstore makeup tutorial. Paling best sekali, I akan jual every single product I guna in this video on Carousell. Every single thing, okay? Every single thing I akan jual on Carousell for a very cheap price. I akan jual on Carousell, everything is under RM99. Tadi I pergi Watson. Ke Watson ke dia? Lupa. I pun confused dengan dua tu. I beli makeup drugstore. I think like I beli like 5 things. Ada receipt, okay? Ada receipt tadi I beli for this video. I think like 5 barang. Tu berapa total dia? RM150. Tu baru 5 barang. I guna 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 11 barang. Everything I can jual below RM99. Guys, faham tak? Maknanya I jual murah. I jual murah untuk korang. Okay? I jual murah untuk korang because I sayang korang. I sayang korang. This is for you guys. Okay? This is for you guys sebab korang subscribe to my channel. Okay, so before I pakai makeup, tunjuk macam mana I achieve this look sekarang ni, I akan terangkan you apa tu Carousell. Okay, so Carousell is an app yang you boleh download on your phone. Any phone boleh. So that app tu, you boleh jual beli barang. Okay? Ayuh kita buat makeup ni. Okay? I need my falsies. Okay, so I dah siap makeup. Cantik kan? So semua benda I tunjuk dekat you tadi tu, I jual dekat Carousell. Everything I akan jual kat Carousell. You boleh beli everything. So cepat-cepat beli, okay? Beli sekarang. Kalau you tengok ni, stop, pause the video, go buy now. Okay, so I akan tunjuk you cara I jual barang ni on Carousell. Okay, so first you have to download the app, create an account. So you akan terus masuk homepage you tau. And then from the homepage you akan nampak sell, select photos. So akan keluar kat choose category. This is makeup. Rimmel Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color. So brand dia I tulis Rimmel. And I'm gonna sell it for RM10. And then meet up, no, mailing and delivery. Okay, so please buy my makeup dekat Carousell. Okay, if you buy makeup, kira you derma because I'm gonna use all the revenue collected through that. Kasih free books to kids all over Malaysia. Okay, so sambil kita shopping makeup, sambil tu kita derma-menderma, okay, buat amal jari. Selain kita jual barang kat Carousell, kita also boleh beli. So lagi sekali, you have to create an account, obviously. Oh, Nadi jual kasut. Okay, jom kita buka Nadi punya ni. Oh, dia jual sketches. Oh, okay, I can beli Nadi punya banana kasut. Make an offer. Okay, make an offer. Nadi akan reply insyaAllah. Kalau Nadi buka Carousell dia, Nadi akan reply, kata, yes Nisha, I want to sell this to you. Okay, so we are at the end of the video. And ada surprise for you. Sebenarnya ada giveaway. I have a giveaway for you guys yang tengok video I from the start until the end. Okay, so siapa yang halfway tengok tu tiba kata, I hate Nisha, Nisha ni annoying, like click ditutup video I, rugi. Okay, so this is for you guys and stay with me dari start video sampai ke akhir because I akan buat giveaway. Okay, I buat giveaway. This is for you guys, to reward you guys sebab tengok video I. Thank you so much. I will be giving away 5 Sephora vouchers worth RM50 each to you guys lah, to you guys. Yeah, all you have to do is follow me on Carousell. Okay, if you nak download app Carousell, if you have, I'm sure a lot of you dah ada Carousell. Carousell is so damn popular. So if you belum lagi Carousell app dalam phone you can click on the link down below dekat description box tu untuk download and sign up semua lah. Ya, tu je lah. Okay, subscribe dekat I, Please guys, subscribe. Please subscribe. Ya Allah Tuhanku. Tolonglah lembutkan hati orang yang tengok video ni untuk subscribe ke channel aku. Amin. Thank you so much for subscribing, and please subscribe if you haven't, and like this video. Comment below you nak I buat makeup apa pula, nak buat video mukbang ke, video apa-apa ke, comment down below, okay? And thank you so much for watching. I hargai sangat. Thank you so much. Tengok video I. Love you. Muah.